what's up y'all, this is Nanda and welcome back to my channel. And today we also have a special guest, my friend, my dear friend. This is Kiki. Okay, here in Block M area at South Jakarta. And now we're going to our first destination because Mrs. Kiki apparently want to try eating at Scarlet House, so let's go.
We are starting our walk into Block M Hub from the ground level. This is Jakarta's new transit-oriented urban space. And under the leadership of Jakarta's current governor, Mr. Pramono Anung, the once outdated-looking basement of Block M has been refreshed, revitalized with a new identity now known as Block M Hub. And take a look at this mosaic. It's bold, bright, and beautiful,
She's taking a picture for Instagram.
with patterns inspired by traditional Betawi ornaments.
We're now at underground.
Oh, fun fact, this project was the winning design from the 2025 Dulux Design Competition. And this is the meaning behind the mosaic. Yellow, red, and blue really pop here. Just a short walk ahead and boom!
Thrifting spots.
You'll find second-hand gems from just 10 to 100,000 rupiah. Gotta love a good deal, right?
Who likes to thrift here? Tidak mau sekalian thrifting, Ibu Kiki. We're already at outside Block M Mall, and we're ready to go to Scarlett's house to eat some delicious cakes.
The sun is up, the day's brand new.
After coming out from the underground, just 2 more minutes of walking and we made it!
Let's make it bright. This day is ours, let's take flight. Everything you dreamed of, it's right.
Well, personally, I think this place is perfect for anyone looking to have a cute dining experience. The restaurant itself is super aesthetic, it's cozy and quite spacious.
Mau dine in?
But just a heads up, it tends to get really crowded on weekends, so be prepared to wait a bit. As you walk in, you're greeted by a display of cakes and a drink station.
Hi.
And there's a staff member welcoming you with a genuine smile too.
Let's head upstairs.
We're being welcomed again by the staff who's taking us to our table on the second floor. And yes, it's the mysterious little corner spot.
Pojok. Tiba-tiba ASMR.
Okay, wait. Look at this red plate decor by the window. Such a nice detail. And when you peek outside, there's this big backyard view with an outdoor dining spot. It's giving major chill cafe vibes. So yeah, the entire second floor is all for dining. They've got a good amount of seating and it's pretty spacious too. You don't feel cramped at all. And if you look out the front windows, you'll see the Block M bus terminal right below and the Block M Square shopping mall just across the street. Such a classic Jakarta view. And there's also a small meeting or private room on this floor, which is perfect if you want a quieter space to hang out.
Yeah. Kita coba cappuccino. Mari kita makan cake-nya. Udah lupa lagi namanya apa BTW.
Karamel banana.
Okay, let's take a bite. Selamat makan. Really moist. Cake-nya beneran moist. Enak banget, enak banget. The banana is sweet. Can. This is the texture of the cake that I really like. Boleh coba nggak? Ayo kita tukeran.
Di bawahnya tuh ini kacang. Walnut gitu.
Dan kayak warnanya putih gitu loh maksud gue. Makanya kayak gue kira ini tuh strawberry atau apa gitu.
Emang ada
Blueberry-nya.
blueberry-nya. Oh, manis nggak asam kayak gimana gitu. Mantap banget itu.
Enak sih.
Ini juga enak. Ini apa? Karamel.
Banana. Dan plus poinnya sih of course the visual. Look at it. The flowernya. This is definitely worth the price. What makes me happy because today is actually like some of us is still on a holiday, right? Masih ada cuti bersama, yang dimana kayak ada setengah ada yang kerja, setengah ada yang mau libur. Tapi sekarang kita di jam masih siang ini, kita nggak nunggu, kita nggak ngantri, no waiting list, langsung dapat tempat duduk. Coba.
Oh, ini beneran lah.
Mungkin edible flower gitu kan. Kayak waktu itu gue yang di GI kan ada bunganya juga, gue makan.
Ampun, udah kayak susah lah.
It smells also like a banana. Wangi banget. Ada banana juga ya di dalam.
Mashed banana.
Fix ini bakal jadi menu favorit gue kalau ke Scarlet.
Scarlet lagi. Gue juga nanti mau coba.
So, turns out the caramel banana cake I had was actually one of Scarlet's seasonal menus, and the last time they served it was back in early July. Yeah, kinda sad, I know.
Kita coba topping banananya sama topping. Correct me if I'm wrong, tapi kayaknya ini bisa Cavendish deh. Kayaknya. Selamat minum. Seger deh. Tapi kan ini kopi, ini kue manis-manis. Kopinya nggak terlalu manis, jadi kayak cocok. kalau dilihat di kamera masih kayak utuh. Tentu saja tidak.
Sudah hilang setengah.
Sudah hilang setengah.
Alright, now you know as girls we have to do a quick touch up after eating, right? And this restroom, the lighting is kinda dim and moody but still cute enough for a quick mirror check. I feel like I didn't show you guys enough of the first floor earlier, so here we go, a little mini tour. And this, yup, the first floor restroom. Pretty much the same vibe as the one upstairs, with the green tones, kinda dim, kinda moody, but still aesthetic. And now we're heading out to the backyard I mentioned earlier. And honestly, this is the most famous photo spot here. Like, everyone and their mom takes pictures here. You just have to.
Divine, sip the coffee, everything's fine. 오늘은 좋은 하루야. Yeah.
Okay, we're heading to our next destination, to Blok M Square. Kita balik lagi ke jalanan yang tadi, which is lewat tunnel di bawah. And then kita lihat-lihat makanan yang ada di sekitar Blok M Square. Jadi di sini itu terminal Blok M, di situ jalur Transjakarta, di sini penurunan Transjakarta, ada food court, ya, naik.
From the food court, you can head straight to the staircase in the far corner and go up. This is basically the shortcut everyone uses when they want to pass through the Blok M bus terminal. Way faster than walking all the way around to the other end.
Sampai. Kita langsung disambut sama antrian. Apa ini? But I think it is Arti Rasa Line. Panjang banget antriannya. Anyway.
So, basically, this time we're just passing through Jalan Melawai 3. You know, the one people call the viral alley. We're just walking straight toward Blok M Square. But yeah, Blok M Square is super crowded today, so we decided to go off camera.
Hours later.
Kayak kita kesasar deh. Kesasar, not so kesasar. Tapi eventually kita juga bisa keluar sih. Ini di tengah Blok M Square. Oh, itu yang Gramedia itu, mau lihat gak?
Oh iya.
Let's go. Let's go, kita ke Gramedia. Jalma.
Okay, who here has not stopped by Gramedia Melawai at least once? Either to buy a book or just wander around pretending you're only looking. Because same, totally same. So apparently, after being away from the public eye for a whole year, Gramedia Melawai is finally back, but with a whole new identity. They've rebranded themselves as Gramedia Jalma, and honestly, the vibe is so different now. It feels fresher, way more modern, and kinda gives that a new hangout spot you accidentally spend hours in energy. And here's the cultural reference. Jalma, inspired by Sundanese and Javanese, actually means human. The name came from their idea of creating a space for every individual who connects through books. Kinda wholesome, right? So basically, it's like your familiar neighborhood bookstore, but upgraded into this cozy, thoughtful space that makes you want to stay, explore, and maybe accidentally buy more books than you planned, as always. Since this place had just recently opened when I filmed this, and you already know Block M is basically allergic to being quiet, so yeah, it was kinda crowded. But I don't mind at all. I actually love seeing this kind of hype. It's nice to know people still enjoy going to a bookstore, not just scrolling online. And right here is the kids corner. It's stacked with children's books from floor to ceiling. Plus, they have a little reading corner with tiny tables and chairs, which, I'm sorry, I had to try sitting on. I couldn't resist. Before I forget, yes, there's a cafe inside. It's called Kopi Alu, and it's located near the entrance that faces Jalan Melawai 3. Such a cute spot if you wanna chill for a bit, grab a drink, or even do some work from cafe. Well, honestly, love when bookstores have a cafe inside. Feels complete.
Lumayan membantu ya.
Oh, like ini kayak sejarahnya all about
Somewhat.